Hi, welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Okay, so I set up one of the B-Fis with this Monoprice amplifier, and I just grabbed a pair of energy bookshelves that I had sitting around and plugged them into it. So very basic setup here. Source, amplifier, speakers. That's it. Over here, on my current speakers that I use in the garage, I've got the other B-Fi connected to my Onkyo receiver that's sitting up there. So what I'm going to try doing here is I'm going to play this and listen to it and see how it sounds. And then I'm going to play that, and then I'm going to sync the two together. So let's start off by playing this one. So if I go here and I choose B-Fi, okay, so I am now in solo mode. So I've got this one, which is called B-Fi, and that one, which is called basement. So let's go here. We'll just play this royalty-free music, and we will AirPlay it, and there we go. Okay, now if I switch to the other one, which is called basement, it'll take a second and it'll switch over to that guy. So now that's playing through that amplifier. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the app and we're going to connect the two of these together. So we grab this and we drag it up so there's a line between the two of them, and it's going to put them in multi-mode, which should sync the audio between the two of them.
Playback and sync.
So now, if I AirPlay on this device, it should play on both. What we will see is there's only one of them. The other one doesn't appear. So when you're in multi-room mode, you don't have the ability to just pick one room. You have to break them apart. So during the test, both sources play the same thing at the same time, and I'm set up here where I've got a speaker on one receiver, a speaker on the other receiver, those two, and then that one over there is on the first receiver again. And no matter where I stand in front of these speakers, the left and right sounds like, well, it's a mono song, but the left and right sounds good. Like there isn't a delay between these and those. And truthfully, in the environment that they're going to be in, where one is mounted in a shed and the other one is mounted inside the house, a little bit of a delay wouldn't be a big deal, as long as it was, under, let's say, 50 milliseconds, 100 milliseconds. But in this situation, they're right next to each other, and I should definitely be able to hear the difference, and they sound really good. So I will say I'm pretty impressed with this little Monoprice amp. It sounds every bit as good as that Onkyo that's running those speakers, and they're not expensive. Works really well, so I'm pretty happy about that. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'm going to be unboxing more of these things coming up here shortly.